Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use the glider in hill climb racing too. The glider is a fantastic vehicle part that adds an exciting aerial dimension to your gameplay. It's not just about driving, it's about flying. This unique attachment allows your vehicle to soar over obstacles and cover significant distances in the air. We'll dive into how to activate it, control its flight, and integrate it seamlessly into your racing strategy to achieve new personal bests and conquer challenging tracks. Get ready to elevate your game. Activating the glider is straightforward. Simply hold down the gas pedal once your vehicle is airborne after a jump. While flying, you can control your pitch by gently tapping the gas to nose up and the brake to nose down. Finding the sweet spot, often around a 45-degree angle, helps you glide further and more efficiently. Remember, releasing the gas pedal will disengage the glider, allowing you to land smoothly. Practice these controls to master your aerial maneuvers and gain a significant advantage on the tracks. Strategically using the glider can dramatically improve your race times. Look for opportunities to glide over rough patches, deep pits, or even entire sections of the track that would otherwise slow you down. For instance, gliding across a large chasm can save you several seconds compared to driving around it. Combining a powerful jump with glider activation allows for incredible distances. Even short, controlled glides can help you recover from awkward landings or maintain momentum over bumpy terrain, keeping your speed high and your progress smooth. Upgrading your glider is essential for unlocking its full potential. Higher levels mean longer flight times and better control, allowing you to traverse even greater distances. The glider works exceptionally well with vehicles that naturally achieve good jump height, like the supercar or rally car. Combining it with parts such as the turbo or overcharged engine can give you that extra boost for a perfect takeoff. Don't be afraid to experiment with various vehicle and part combinations to discover the ultimate gliding synergy for each unique track.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.